Alrighty, welcome to Cam's Art Out the Fire. Today, doing something a little bit different. I've actually been doing a bit of skill basing and teaching myself how to, re-educating myself on how to do some tooling work with leather work. I brought this pattern from, now to remember, Dark Horse Armory Workshop. Dark Horse Workshop. It's actually a nice little pattern. Perfect for reenactment and larping. So, I could say good introductory level piece for playing around with as a project to up your skills, because it's got a mixture of levels you can do. Definitely hand stitching. You can do it with riveting, but the hand stitching actually gives you a much better effect. The tooling, I've been re-educating myself on how to do this again. It's been a while since I've actually done this kind of tool work. It's almost 20 years since I've actually done heavy duty tool work like I have here. And I've made a few different colours. Sorry about that, the battery went flat, so let's go. So I've made them in a few different colours. I made the green, a dark chocolate brown, and I've also made a light chocolate brown as a test run to see what actually looks the nicest. They've actually, come up really nicely. I do recommend, if you're after a nice simple pattern for doing this, kind of reenactment larp pouch, kidney pouch, 14th century style, I do recommend going and getting the Dark Horse Workshop pattern. I'll put the link up here somewhere in the information. Definitely go and watch the video as well. If you guys would like to see me make more of these kind of videos of me doing leather work and tooling and basically making more kit, let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Find me on thecastleblacksmith.com. I have to get that right. You can find me on www.castleblacksmith.com. You can also find me on Facebook, Instagram and YouTube under the Castle Blacksmith, and also on Esty as the Castle Blacksmith, run by Cam's Art Out the Fire. You can also find me on Ko-fi, so you can shout me a coffee. And so definitely, if you like this kind of content, let me know with a thumbs up and comment, and I'll catch you on the next one. Have a lovely day.